Something pretty interesting just showed up at the shop. An old pedal car. I believe the guy said it's from Mexico. I don't know anything about pedal cars, but I know people absolutely love them. And this guy's gonna fully restore this one. So I'm gonna get it down to bare metal for him to help him out. And I'm gonna take you guys along the way. First step, I already got done. I got it all tied up. And we're gonna lower it into our alkaline paint remover. And that degreases it and removes all the paint. After that, once all the paint's gone, we're gonna move over to our acid and attack all that rust. Now I can almost guarantee this paint's gonna be pretty easy to remove. Looks like someone did a little graffiti on it, but that shouldn't be a problem at all. There is a little bit of rust. I'm gonna say this thing's gonna take about 1 dip in the alkaline bath to remove all the paint and maybe 2 dips in the acid to remove all that rust, but it should be a pretty simple job. All right, so let's get this over to the tank and lower it in. Well, that wasn't a very fun pressure washing video because all the paint was already melted off. But now that we got all the paint off, we're gonna take this over to the acid bath and get rid of all that rust. By the looks of things, the rust isn't too thick on here. So I'm gonna say this is gonna be done in about 1 dip. So let's get this thing over to the acid bath and we'll leave it in there for about 2 days. So I got the pedal card down to bare metal. I applied a rust inhibitor that lasts about 30 days until this guy's ready to paint it. It's in pretty decent condition. He is gonna have to pull a few dents out of it, and there's only like 1 rust hole, which I'll show you real quick. So as you can see, there's a few dents in it, nothing crazy. Everything seems to be pretty straight on it. There was 1 rust hole in the side in between this fender. You can see the pinch weld there, rotted through. That should be an easy little patch. But this thing turned out pretty awesome. And I like little simple jobs like this.